The Filipino antonyms mabilis, which means fast, and mabagal, which means slow. Mabilis, mabagal. Mabilis, mabagal. Ang sasakyan ay mabilis huminto. The vehicle stopped quickly. Sasakyan is car, mabilis is fast. Huminto means, hinto means stop. Ang sasakyan ay mabilis huminto. Mabagal ang pag-usbong ng mga halaman. The growth of the plants is slow. Mabagal means slow. Pag-usbong is like the growth. And then halaman, plant, mga is the plural marker. So, mga halaman, plants. Mabagal ang pag-usbong ng mga halaman. Kailangan ng mabilis na aksyon sa krisis. Kailangan, it means swift action is needed for the crisis. Kailangan means need. Mabilis is fast. Action is action. Crisis is a crisis. Kailangan ng mabilis na aksyon sa krisis. Mabagal ang pagbawi niya sa sakit. His or her recovery from the illness is slow. Mabagal means slow. And then pagbawi means like recovery. And then niya is his or her. And then sakit is like an illness. Mabagal ang pagbawi niya sa sakit. Mabilis, once more, it means fast in English. And mabagal is slow. Mabilis, mabagal. Mabilis, mabagal.